So hi, this is KevTarot and this is the preview of the book. So point number 2 will be being good to yourself does not necessarily mean that you're a selfish person. Self-care and self-love and selfishness share one core attribute, that is to tend for oneself. They, however, share a core difference. One is done with the awareness of others' feelings and usually would not hurt others morally or ethically, except for the toxic ones on the receiving end because they felt left out and become vindictive most of the time. While the other is done usually with a total disregard for others' well-being and at others' expense most of the time. Those who find you selfish could mean a few scenarios. Self-entitled people, they do not benefit from you and feel cut off since they cannot exploit the benefits they expect from other people, including you. Your actions have harmed certain people when you are being good to yourself. For example, your actions to benefit yourself and your overall well-being may clash with their benefits, or are perceived to be a threat to the benefits or their current values or mindsets. One thing to realistically free ourselves from these menaces of emotional or ethical blackmails from others would be the following. To know that there is no definite good and evil. It's not some childhood story times. It's just that there are different, unique and subjective perspectives in this universe of diversities. So even if they spur feelings of guilt and look deeper into the bullshit always, the intention.